This is the main market area in Dharamshala McLeodganj. A walk across this area is a must for anyone visiting Dharamshala McLeodganj. The streets are lined with beautiful souvenir shops selling Tibetan as well as Himachali handicrafts. You would find rows and rows of shops selling exquisite figurines of Buddhist deities, Hindu gods, masks, singing bowls, shawls, decorative locks, and a lot more. There is a beautiful Tibetan temple in this area. There is a beautiful Tibetan temple located in this area. This temple was built in 1992 and the designs are exquisite. This temple is known as the Kalachakra temple and is known for housing stunning murals of Kalachakra or the Wheel of Time. When we were visiting this temple, it was closed to tourists due to the COVID crisis. However, one can visit a small room housing a large prayer wheel. The walls of this room are decorated with small metal figurines of Buddhist deities. One can do a parikrama of this temple and turn the prayer wheels.
और घुमा दीजिए ना समझ बढ़ती आएगा पूरा इसमें
A few meters away from the Kalachakra temple is the main temple of the Dalai Lama. However, entry to this temple is also currently restricted now due to the COVID situation. Walking up and down the streets are bound to give you beautiful experiences and fill your bags with exquisite souvenirs, but shall make you feel very hungry. Worry not. This market also has a plethora of restaurants and cafes, and you can choose to eat from chicken kebabs to momos to other Tibetan delicacies. That's all for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.